Hello there, in this video you can learn that how you can find out a Captcha typing job actually, which you can do that in mobile. Actually that will be also a mobile typing job as well, and data entry work also. So stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money online actually from your home with your internet connection, whether you are using the smartphone or PC or laptop. So still you can use and try and make money with this specific strategy. It is absolutely free. So the first and important thing is that you just need to just go to solve captcha. I mean, you just write it on the Google solve captcha. So once you write that solve captcha, then you can scroll down, and the first there will be add something like that you can see to captcha.com. No, it's not about that. Captcha.ios. No, you can simply just find out this third one, solvecaptcha.com, and that will be the link. You can simply click on that. So once you click on that link, then you can see here the interface like this one. If you are using the mobile, so still you can see this page available right there in mobile, and you can see here two options: order captchas, work for solve captcha. So under that you can see here the button quick start. Simply click on that. So once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here, that you can simply add your email address, then password right here, and then retype the password, and then you can add, for example, I'm not a robot, and then click on the register button right here. So once you click on the register button, then you will see this page available right here, that you can have three options right here, like customer, worker, developer. So basically just click on the worker. So we need to make money online, so that's why we are worker, and we can click on next button right there. So once we click on that, then that will be our dashboard, that we can see here the balance right here, and here will be our account and more information about that. So here you can see request payments, payment history, payout history, and transfer fund to another account right here, and we can start making money right away from here. So once we visit it right here, the next step is that you can see here the green button right away here, start work. Okay, you can see here this big button, start work. Just click on that. So once you click on that, then you will be visited this page right here, that you can simply click the start button right here, and you need to just fill out 42 captchas actually at the beginning. So that is something like training, or the first thing actually, that you just need to fill up 42 captchas without paying you the money. Okay, so that will be something like your training. So once you complete these 42 captchas, then you will be fully trained, and then you can start over and you can start making money online with this captcha right here. So the biggest problem is here that how we can pay the money, and how we can get the money actually right here. You see here the button request payouts. You can see here request payouts. Okay, just click on that, and you will see here that this amount of money, for example, once you work right here, that will be shown right here, and they will give you the option right here like web money, phase up, perfect money, bitcoin, advocash, coin.ph, uphold, coinbase. So you just need to select one of these. So web money and pesa will be, and perfect money will be the great option actually, that you need to choose, and you can transfer the money right here. So you can only be paid, or you can even just transfer 50 cents actually with web money, and without any fees or without anything. So that is also the great part, that you can start making money online with very low amount of money actually right here, that you can transfer to your bank account or your these option right here. And another coolest part right here is that actually, that you can transfer funds to another account. For example, if you just earn $1 or $2 actually in one account, and you want to transfer to another account, basically just click here. So once you click here, then you will see the page available right here, and you can select the amount, how much money you want to transfer, and then you can add the email address right away here, and then click on the send money. So automatically all the money will be just move and transfer to that account. So that is that much easy and comfortable, that you can simply start it making money from your home by solving captchas. If you want to have, for example, an understanding that how much money they will be pay as actually, So you can simply scroll down right here. You can see here, not here. Okay, let me just go back right here. Okay, so you can simply scroll down right here, and here is the amount of money that you can get for Captcha actually right here. So that will be, they will pay you money something like 59 cents or 58 cents when you reach 1,000 Captcha. So you need to be paid for that actually. As you can see here, if you scroll down, you can see here the option like per 1,000 captchas you will be earn 59 cents. Okay, means almost $1 per 1,000. So captchas are really easy and very comfortable, so it doesn't need anything right here. You just need to just go around there and click on the start button, and they will see you, show you the captchas right here. Okay, and then that will be just starting making money from here. So the easiest way to make money online is this, that you can just start from your smartphone without any hesitation. So hope you like it. If you like it, smash the like button. Comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moment.